Hello everyone, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. My name is Misty, I'm BIXOLON's Business Development Manager. We have a special treat for you. Today we'll be unboxing the XD5-40 Direct Thermal Label Printer. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So in our box we have our user guide, our power supply and cables, and then our label printer. Let me go ahead and get everything cleaned up and we'll get back to it. BIXOLON's XD5-40 Direct Thermal Label Printer is a compact 4-inch desktop label printer, offering high-quality printing with a resolution of 203 dpi, ensuring crisp and clear prints every time. Its durable construction ensures reliability, making it suitable for even the most haunted environments. When it comes to performance, BIXOLON's XD5-40 Direct Thermal Label Printer won't ghost you. With a fast printing speed of up to 7 inches per second, you can print large volumes in no time. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy even for those who are new to the dark arts of printing. Fully compatible with market-leading programming languages and multiple connectivity options, such as USB and Ethernet, you'll have the ability to summon prints from any device in your haunted lair. The XD5 Desktop Label Series are available in direct thermal or thermal transfer models and optional RFID print and encode capability. It's an ideal printer for industries such as manufacturing, logistics, retail, and healthcare. When you're printing labels for your spooky business, fear not. BIXOLON's XD5-40 has got you covered. I want to thank BIXOLON for sending us the XD5-40 Direct Thermal Label Printer. Be sure to reach out to your sales rep for pricing and availability. Happy Halloween, and we'll see you on the next BIXOLON Unboxed video.